Today I'm sharing a simple and fun way to demonstrate how thunderstorms form. You need some water, an ice cube tray, a clear rectangular container, and some red and blue food coloring. Fill an ice cube tray with water and then put 1 drop of blue food coloring into each cube. Then put the tray in the freezer. When the ice cubes are frozen, fill a clear rectangular container with room temperature water. Then gently place a few blue ice cubes in the water on one side of the container, while at the same time dropping several drops of red food coloring into the water on the opposite side of the container. The blue water from the ice cubes will sink and spread towards the red water. When the blue and red water collide in the center of the container, the colder blue water that is more dense will stay on the bottom while forcing the warmer red water to move up towards the top of the water. This reaction is a great way to visualize how cold fronts work to create thunderstorms. The cold, dense air behind a cold front forces the warmer, less dense air to rise into the sky. As the warm, moist air rises into the sky, it cools down and creates clouds and thunderstorms. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. It really helps us out and we really appreciate it.